Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. We are going to start part B, unit 2, data entry and keyboarding skills. Topic is use keyboard and mouse for data entry part 2. In this video, you are going to learn guide keys, typing and deleting text, typing ergonomics, correct sitting posture, pointing device, mouse. What are guide keys? On a computer keyboard, F and J are called the guide keys for left and right hand. We press the F key with your left hand index finger and J with your right hand index finger. Both contain a small raised tangible mark with the help of which the touch typist can place the fingers correctly on the home keys. Typing and deleting text. For typing text in a document, you should click on the letters on the keyboard, and for deleting text, we have delete button and backspace button. Delete button is used to delete the character from the right of the cursor, and backspace key is used to delete the character from the left of the cursor. And for typing numbers in a document, you should use the number lock or the numbers on the second row of keys on the keyboard. Typing ergonomics. Ergonomics means proper position or posture while typing on a computer. Here we will discuss sitting posture. While operating the computer keyboard, you should sit straight, slightly bending your neck forward. Check your comfort level and sitting position of the body. Touch the lower portion of your back to the lower portion of the backrest of the chair. You should touch both the feet to the floor. As you can see on the picture, kindly observe the picture carefully. The desk should be approximate 680 to 720 mm of height. Feet should be supported on the floor or by footrest. There should be approximate 2 to 3 finger width clearance between the front edge of the seat and the back of knee. The back support should be at an angle of 90 to 100 degree and supporting the lumbar curve. Elbow should be slightly higher than wrist when operating keys or mouse. And there should be proper light in the room. As you can see, the proper posture and the right posture and the wrong posture while typing on the computer. Pointing device. Now, what do you mean by pointing device? A pointing device, or sometimes called a pointing tool, is a hardware input device that allows the user to move the mouse cursor in a computer program. There are so many pointing devices like trackball, touchpad, tablet, touch screen, joystick, but today we are going to discuss about mouse. Mouse is a pointing device used to point a particular place on the screen and select to perform one or more actions. As you can see on the picture, a mouse generally has three buttons: left button, right button and scroll button. The common mouse actions are: first one is click, or we can say it a left click. We press the left button with our index finger. Double click. It is used to start a program or open a file or trigger an action. Right click. It is used to display a set of commands and available options. Move the mouse pointer to the desired position. Position your middle finger on the right mouse button. Keeping the mouse still, click lightly with the middle finger of the right button. A dialog box will open. and you can click on the command whatever you want with the help of the right click. Drag and drop. It allows to select and move an item from one location to another. Position the mouse on an object, hold down the left side of the mouse and drag the object. Scroll. Instead of using page down or arrow keys, we can scroll with the help of the scroll button of the mouse. Blocking. Blocking is the another way of selecting text. It is used to select the text that needs to be edited or formatted. Click at the beginning of the word or the sentence and hold down the left buttons. Then drag along the text and see it being highlighted in black. At the end of the text, release the mouse button. Thank you.